Hey AP800, this is Cadence Haney, and this is my second instructional tutorial video. I'm going to show you what I know about Edpuzzle. So I'm pretty new to Edpuzzle, but another teacher showed me how to use it for the careers class, and it was pretty simple, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So it's got a whole bunch of videos here, and you can search by topic by typing a topic into the content box, like say entrepreneurship. Or if you wanted to search, there's lots of other places. Right here you could do YouTube, Khan Academy, TED Talks, got all kinds of stuff like that. So I'm doing a unit on entrepreneurship right now. So I would watch that short video, and if I liked it, then I would say, okay, I want to copy this to my content, and then it will appear in my content. So once I have it in there, it's really easy to assign to the kids. I just check mark it, and then, let's see, I don't think you can see. There you go. So down here it pops up and you just click assign, and I have it linked to my Google Classroom. So you just check those, and I click post on Google Classroom, and you can pick your due date, which I would say, okay, let's assign it tomorrow. Maybe make it due probably on Wednesday. Okay, and then you just save it and assign. So I'm going to just go ahead and click later, since I'm not sure if I'm going to use that for tomorrow, but that's how you do it. You also, up here, you have your gradebook, so when the students, when they view it, when they go through any like multiple choice answers, it'll score it for them, but if it has like a short answer response, it'll send it to you, so you can go through and grade those. And you just click on it and click through the kids' responses, and then right here it will show everything that you have assigned. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and hope you liked it. Have a good day.